Traveling is a wonderful hobby. Many people love to visit new places during their holidays. Traveling helps us to see the world and meet new friends. Before your trip, you must prepare everything at home. First, you make a list. Then you pack your suitcase. You put your favorite clothes, warm jackets, and comfortable shoes in the bag. Do not forget your passport and your wallet. You need your passport to enter a new country. And you need your wallet to buy things. Next, you choose your transport. How do you want to travel? Some people take a taxi or a busy city bus. Other people like the train station. The train station is always big and loud. You buy a ticket from a machine or from a worker. Then you wait on the platform. The train is a great way to travel because it is fast and safe. You can sit by the window, drink a hot coffee, and look at the beautiful countryside. When the train stops, you arrive in the new city. You walk to your hotel with your suitcase. At the hotel, you talk to the receptionist at the front desk. They check your name on the computer. The receptionist is very polite and gives you the key to your room. You take the elevator to the 3rd floor. Your room has a big bed, a television, and a clean bathroom. You put your bags down, wash your hands, and change your clothes. Now you are ready to explore the city. The weather is beautiful and the sun is hot. It is fun to be a tourist. You can walk down the old streets with the digital map on your phone. Sometimes you get lost, but that is okay. You see tall buildings, famous museums, and green parks. You take beautiful photos with your phone to show your family back home. In the afternoon, you get tired and hungry. You look for a nice local cafe or a small restaurant. You sit at a table near the window. You read the menu and order delicious local food. Maybe you try a new soup, some fresh bread, or a sweet cake. You drink a cold glass of water or a cup of tea. The waiters are nice and you can practice speaking English with them. Before you go back to the hotel, you visit a small gift shop. You want to buy some gifts for your family. You buy a colourful postcard for your family, a small keychain for your friend, and a sweet snack for your sister. Shopping in a new city is very exciting. At night, you return to your hotel room. You lie down in the big bed and look at your photos. Every trip is a great way to learn new things and make happy memories. Questions. Where did you go on your last holiday? Did you travel there by plane? Tell me about some of the things you saw. Did you visit any museums? Did you stay at a nice hotel? Practice your English writing by telling me in the comment section.